Welcome to today's training. Today we'll be learning about running term life insurance quotes on National Life Group's platform. So let's get started. First thing is to log into the back office to National Life, which will show this screen here. Then you click on Illustrations. Illustrations will then take you to another screen where you can start working on creating the proposal for your client. Next step is creating a new illustration. The pop-up screen will show up where you pick your issue state, you pick your product type. In this situation, it will be a term, and your sales concept, just keep it at basic illustration. And you'll see you have two options, LSW term and National Life term. As an independent agent, we can only sell LSW term. If you're a captive and work for National Life, you will quote National Life term. So for today's example, we'll be going over LSW term. This will open the next screen. We can begin entering information. So here we can enter the insured's information. So let's do Mr. Client. Let's keep it male. Let's enter date of birth. Auto calculates the age. Next step is determine the risk class. You can see here we have lots of options to choose from. In my experience, I found that starting with a quote at a standard tobacco or standard non-tobacco rating is the best way to go. That we can under-promise and over-deliver. If the client gets a better rating after underwriting, they're happy. Now, if we put a preferred rating and the client ends up getting standard after the fact, they may not be so happy. So that way we quote standard and hope for the best. Another great feature about the National Life quoting platform is they have hyperlinks all across their illustration software. In this situation, if you have any underwriting questions, you click on underwriting guidelines and you get a pop-up menu showing what those guidelines look like. All right, next step in our term quote is to go to death benefit and funding. I have a couple ways we can design it. We can either specify a face amount or we can specify a premium amount. Either one works. If the client knows what they want or you know what the client wants, when it comes to death benefit, specify a face amount. If the client says, I'm not sure, all I can afford is $50 a month, what does that buy me? You can do that as well. In this example, let's just go with specifying face amount. Let's do a $500,000 term quote for our client. Then we can select the premium mode. How does the client want to pay? On a monthly basis, quarterly, annual, or semi-annual? In my experience, most clients end up paying on a monthly basis, but every once in a while you get an annual client who wants to pay the full year. Rarely do I see and also discourage any quarterly or semi-annual payments. For some reason, those types of payments tend to fall off because clients just don't want to do it, forget about it. It doesn't really work. Monthly and annual is the best way to go. There's other ways we can get some discounts to a spousal fee policy, whereas if the husband and wife both get a policy, there is a discount there. If you're not sure what that means, another nice feature is you click on the hyperlink, get a pop-up, and you'll see exactly what that discount means. Let's go back to the software. Next step is the riders. You can choose to select the children's term rider or whatever premium if you want, optional. And then there's the accelerated benefit riders, which are the living benefits. With National Life / LSW, you get terminal illness protection, chronic illness, critical illness, and critical injury all included in the policy. No need to select that on the quote, it's already there for you. Nice feature to have, great solution to have. National Life includes living benefits on all their term products, whole life, universal life, and IUL solutions. Next step is do a quick view. This gives an idea of what the pricing would look like for our clients. Another great feature about the National Life platform is it shows you all the premiums for different product types. You have your 10-year, your 15-year, 20-year, and 30-year guarantee products. It also includes an annual ART. Rarely have I ever sold one of those. So 10, 15, 20, or 30. These are the monthly premiums. Then they annualize them here down the graph. Now remember, this is only for your agent use only. The client will not see this. What the client will see is a complete illustration, which is the final step. We go to reports, and we're able to run the report and get an idea of what that looks like for our client. So here's where you actually select what you want to show the client, the 10, 15, 20, or 30 year. Another great feature is that they include the 10, 15, 20, and 30 year within the illustration itself. So if the client's not sure, or you're not sure, you can still see that pricing for the other solutions. So now we select run reports. You can either do it from the bottom or from the top. It's all the same. And we get a pop-up. And here is our illustration. You will see the term life, 30 years for our client, and you scroll down. Here's the third or fourth page. There's the third page, shows you face amount, shows you what the premium is going to look like. You keep scrolling, you can see living benefits. It breaks it down for the terminal, chronic, critical illness, and critical injury, what those payouts would look like. And as I mentioned earlier, you'll see here at the bottom, you get to the last page, the different pricing for the different products, 10, 15, 20, 30, if the client so chooses, your annual, semi-annual, quarterly, or the monthly payments. We're in the software illustration for National Life is very simple when it comes to term, very easy to use. And remember, one of the biggest benefits of using National Life is the living benefits with their term solutions. So thank you for watching today. Click on the link below if you want some more information about our company, and please like our video. Thank you. Have a great day.